Hi all, we will see one sum on unit costing or cost sheet. The PET Chemicals company supplies you the following details from its cost records. Particulars amount in rupees. Stock of raw materials on 1st September 2012 75,000. Stock of raw materials on 30th September 2012 91,500. Direct wages 52,500. Indirect wages 2,750. Sales 2 lakhs. Work in progress on 1st September 2012 28,000. Work in progress on 30th September 2012 35,000. Purchase of raw materials 66,000. Factory rent, rates and power 15,000. Depreciation of plant and machinery 3,500. Expenses on purchases 1,500. Carriage outwards 1,000. Advertising 5,000. Office rent and taxes 2,500. Travelers wages and commission 6,500. Stock of finished goods on 1st September 2012 54,000. Stock of finished goods on 30th September 2012 31,000. Prepare a cost sheet giving the maximum possible breakup of cost and profit. So, before starting with the solution of the sum, we'll see now the simplest form of cost sheet format. Cost sheet, which will be prepared in the form of a statement where particulars, total cost in rupees, cost per unit in rupees will be there, and the cost sheet is going to start with the direct material consumed. And how do we get this direct material consumed means, initially you should take the opening stock of raw material. To that we should add purchases, then we should add expenses on purchase of raw materials, and we should deduct closing stock of raw materials, so that we will get direct material consumed. And afterwards we should add direct wages, then we should add direct expenses, so that we will get prime cost. To the prime cost we should add works overheads or factory overheads. So any kind of factory related expenses will be added to the prime cost. Then we should add opening stock of work in progress, and we should deduct closing stock of work in progress, so that we will get works cost. And to this works cost we should add administrative overheads, and we will get cost of production. To the cost of production we should add opening stock of finished goods, and we should deduct closing stock of finished goods, so that we will get cost of goods sold. And to this we should add selling and distribution overheads to get cost of sales, and to this you can add the profit so that we will get sales. Or if sales are given, you can deduct cost of sales from the sales so that you can get the profit. If total number of units produced or sold are given, then cost per unit can be calculated. Now we will see the solution of the sum. So we are going to prepare cost sheet. The heading is going to be like this: cost sheet of PET chemicals for the ended 30th September 2012. Number of units are not given. If given, we need to write here. And it is a statement which consisting of particulars, then total cost in rupees, this also total cost in rupees, inner column and outer column. So this will start with the direct materials consumed, for which you have to start with opening stock of raw material, which is given 75,000. So take the amount in the inner column, 75,000. To this we should add purchases, and purchases are given 66,000. Purchases are 66,000 plus expenses on purchases given 1500. So add 1500. And from this we should deduct closing stock of raw material, which is given 91,500. And we will get 51,000. And to this we should add direct wages, which are amounting to 52,500, and we should add direct expenses. No direct expenses are given, then you can put the blank. And the total of direct material consumed and direct wages is going to be 1,03,500, which is known as prime cost. Now to the prime cost we should add works or factory overheads. Here we should identify what are all the expenses which can come under factory overheads. Indirect wages, then factory rent, rates and power, depreciation of plant and machinery will come under factory overheads. So we will write all these three here. Indirect wages 2750. Then factory rent, rates and power 15,000. Then depreciation of plant and machinery 3,500. If we add these three together, we will get 21,250. Add all these factory overheads to the prime cost, so it will become 1,24,750. And to this we should add opening stock of work in progress, which is given in the sum. Opening work in progress on 21st September 2012, 28,000. And we need to deduct closing stock of work in progress, that is work in progress on 30th September 2012, 35,000. So deduct this 35,000. $1,17,750 we will get, and this is known as works cost or factory costs. To this we should add all administrative overheads. Here in this sum we have only one administrative expenses, that is office rent and taxes 2,500. That we should write under here. Office rent and taxes 2,500. Now we will get 1,20,250, which is known as cost of production. And after getting this, we should add opening stock of finished goods. Opening, that is stock of finished goods on 1st September 2012, 54,000. Then we need to deduct closing stock of finished goods, that is stock of finished goods on 30th September 2012, 31,000. Deduct this 31,000. We'll get 1,43,250, which is known as cost of goods sold. After getting cost of goods sold 1,43,250, we should add selling and distribution overheads. There are three items which can be written under selling and distribution overheads. Those are carriage outwards, advertising and travelers' wages and commission. So these three items can be written under selling and distribution overheads. Carriage outwards rupees 1000, advertising rupees 5000, then travelers wages and commission rupees 6500. Total of all these is 12,500. Add all selling and distribution overheads to the cost of goods sold, that is 1,55,750, which is considered as cost of sales. As sales are also given, sales are 2 lakhs is given. So write the sales. Now deduct this cost of sales from the total sales so that we will get the profit. Profit of 44,250. This is how we will prepare cost sheet.